Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm CamTech. Today, I'm going to introduce you guys to a power tool that, in my opinion, is very special. You might know about it already. I don't know. We'll see. But it's a type of tool that will make your installs perfect. I said it, perfect. I think every DIYer that doesn't mind getting down and dirty by getting into the nitty-gritty of fixing and repairing and installing stuff, as well as the professional installers, need this tool. Let me show you. So what we have here is the Bosch Cameleon, model number GSR12V-300FCB22. Whew, that was long. Anyway, it's the multi-head system. It's really awesome. I didn't just purchase this. I purchased this a while ago last year. And what sold me is this particular head that I'm going to show you. It's an offset head. I'm going to show you here in a sec. But when using this thing, it makes installs so seamless, especially when it comes to cabinets. And what it comes with, besides a carrying bag, it comes with 2 batteries, 2 amp hours, 5 heads, and a charger. I ended up running into a super deal at my local Lowe's where I cleared the shelf out. Like, seriously, I bought almost all of them that were there because it was at a stupid low price. Normally they go for $229. Some places maybe $189. I got it for $57. Plus tax. So I cleared the shelf out. I know some customers must be mad at me for doing that, but I had to do it because this tool is awesome and I'm able to provide this to my guys when they're working so they can complete seamless, clean installs. All right. So the particular head that I want to share with you is the offset head. And the way you change it is that there's a lock indicator there and an unlock indicator over there, where my finger is. All you do is put your fingers right around it, turn it to the right, pull it right off. This is the offset head. You can angle the offset head in any direction you want it to go. And once you put it in the position that you want it to go, you then lock it on to the tool. Just like that. Tell me this thing's not awesome. When getting into a tight spot in a cabinet, especially when installing it, and you're getting into the corner by the wall of the cabinet, normally you can't get a traditional drill to be straight on, which causes the screw to cat a corner, twist, possibly even strip the head of the screw because you really can't get a good bite on it. I'm gonna demonstrate how this thing's awesome. It has a few other heads, like I said. One of them, which is pretty cool, is the 90 degree. Just like that. And again, you can angle this any way you like. It's a keyless clutch design, so it auto locks. And just like that, 90 degrees. If you want to make a hole, like in a wall or wherever, straight up. If you want to go sideways because the drill that you have or the position, the traditional drill, you can't get into that spot, comfortably. You can just set up just like that. So let me demonstrate how this thing works and we'll talk about it a little bit more. So we're inside of a cabinet, and in order to install this cabinet to the wall, you'll need to, pilot a hole right here and put your screw in. You want to be as close as you can to the corner. All right. We have here is a DeWalt, just a traditional drill, nothing against DeWalt. But trying to screw this in the corner, I really can't get in there because of how big this thing is, and it's not really offset. Let me show you what the Bosch can do. Look at that. I'm able to offset it as close as I can to the corner. Get your screw. Let's offset it. Did you see that? Let me rewind that for you. So here we have another situation where we have a couple of studs right here and we want to put a hole. Let's say, for example, we're going to run some wire, or you want to run pipe, for whatever reason you need to put a hole in the stud. And granted, you might be able to get this standard drill in the wall, but you know, like hammer drills, so on and so forth, you need to really get some really good leverage on there with two hands to really make the hole. All right. So what we have here is a left angle setup. We make a hole in the stud. All right. Here we go. There you go. Not bad, huh? Light, ergonomic, handy, innovative, cute. I don't know, maybe you like cute tools. I don't know, I won't judge you. On a serious note though, this does come in an 18-volt platform. It does have the multi-head system, and the 18-volt battery is a little bit bigger, but of course, bigger means more power. So I'm not saying that you're not gonna be able to get into those weird places, but it does have a bigger battery if you need more power. I really think this is a really awesome tool. It's not my everyday driver. I do have a 18-volt on another platform that I use, but I think this tool is really essential for those carpenters, do-it-yourselfers, electricians, plumbers that need to complete a seamless, clean, professional install. So this is a great go-to tool. If you're interested in this tool, I left the affiliate link in the description below. If you have this tool, leave me a comment. Let me see what you think about it, whether it be good or bad. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos I got here. I got one right here, I got one right here, and one right here. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. God bless. See you next time. Keep wrenching.